Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure a customer base with Shopify. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by signing into your Shopify account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Shopify website. Once you are logged in, navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. Next, ensure your store is properly set up. You can customize your store's theme under the online store section. Choose a theme that reflects your brand identity. After selecting a theme, add your logo and adjust colors to match your branding. Now, move on to adding products. Go to the Products section and click Add Product. Fill in all necessary product details. Make sure to use high-quality images to attract potential customers. Next, set up payment options. Visit the Settings section and select Payments. Choose the payment gateway. Now, configure your shipping settings. Go to Settings and then Shipping and Delivery. Set your shipping rates and delivery options based on your target market. Once the basics are set up, focus on marketing your store. Utilize social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Consider using email marketing to keep customers informed about promotions and new products. Set up discounts or promotions to encourage first-time buyers. You can create discount codes through the Discounts section in Shopify. Research keywords related to your products and include them in your product descriptions. Finally, monitor your analytics regularly. Use Shopify's built-in analytics tools to track visitor behavior and sales. Adjust your strategies based on insights gained from this data. By following these steps, you will begin to secure a loyal customer base for your Shopify store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.